Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this Shear Cordless clipping machine. It is not working. If you have one of these not working, the first thing you do is check the battery. It's a little bit low, but it should still be powering the machine. If the battery ruled out as a possible problem, you have to remove all the screws and take it apart. Right, so with this open, the first thing you look at is this. If you can see here where my thumb is, this micro switch is the on-off switch, and you can see there's excessive wear in that. See, it's wore onto an angle. So we're going to have to try and build that up some way, or probably build a bit onto this to try and push it down more so it is activating the switch properly. To test that theory, you can actually slide the battery on, but you need to be careful when you're doing this, because keep your fingers away from there, because that would cut the life out of your thumb. Holding the motor here, you can see the switching all works. It's just a matter of this is not pushing it enough because it's worn. It's only going to take about 1 millimeter, so I have an idea. A bit of this old cable tie that was in there between the body and the switch activator. I think we could have something that works. Maybe hot glue it in, make sure it stays in place. Hear the click, that's the switch activating. That's all it's going to take. I'll try a little bit of glue just to hold it in place. I might give it a little bit of melt with the soldering iron then, just to make sure it doesn't never move. So leave that to set for a little while. Now I can just simply put it back together. That click is promising. Right, she's all back together. Just ram on the battery and see what's going on now. That looks pretty good to me. So that's her back in business. So if you have one of these that's giving you trouble not switching on, that's likely to be one of the main culprits. Either that or the motor. If it's a motor, it's much more serious. But check that first.